Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make pork chops and stuffing. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to turn on the heat. Let that get warmed up, and we're going to chuck our butter in there. Let that melt down a little bit. Now that that's hot, we're going to start adding our pork chops to there. We got our pork chops pre-seasoned. We're going to put them in there one by one. And let them get heated so that they're brown on both sides. It's going to take about a minute or two for each side, and then we're going to set it aside. Alright, now we're going to flip them over. Got a nice even brown across the bottom there. We're going to let it get brown on the other side, and then we're going to set it aside. Alright, next up we're going to make our stuffing. We're going to start off by adding 1/4 teaspoon poultry seasoning, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. Mix that a little bit. To that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a little bit of a mix. Then we're going to divide it into 4 separate sections and put it on top of the pork chops. Alright, now we got a can of condensed mushroom soup and 1/3 cup of water. We're going to mix that together a little bit so we got it nice and creamy. And we're going to pour that on top of the breadcrumbs. Now we're going to bake that at 350 for an hour. Alright, and now that's out of the oven. We're ready to pull it out. Get that nice and tasty. And we serve it. There we go. Pork chop and stuffing. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.